Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Stephanie. I am known as Opinionated Horsewoman. Today, you guys, I went to the post office and got a whole bunch of mail. I thought I would share with you guys a couple pieces of friend mail and then 2 orders from Ipsy. Well, one is something they owed me and one is I did a drop shop, Ipsy shop, mega shop, whatever order. I told you guys about that in my Ipsy unboxing, which if you haven't watched that video, you should absolutely check that out because it does relate to what we're going to watch. So if you want to just hold on this one, go watch that one and come back, that'd be cool. That'll bring you up to speed. So first thing, let's get into friend mail. I got a couple of pieces of mail. So this one came from Miss Erlene, and there I am. Really, there's just cute stickers on the back. So let me get into that. Okay, I'm making a mess trying to open it, as I always do. Aw, you're the first. Thank you, Erlene. Oh, she knows it. Okay, first of all, I got to show you what is in here, because it is... You're the first. You're the firstest. Okay, got a little mess going here. These are little cakes. They're little confettis. There's green. There's this cute light pink color. There's a whole bunch of these little fuchsia colored ones. And there's a star. There's some of that in here. And then we got some stickers, which I love. That is a dragonfly. And I am having trouble with them. Then we got flowers. And, ooh, that's pretty. Butterfly. We do love our pollinators. Got a little rainbow. He looks like a little turtle. And, oh, another pollinator. These are the good ones. These are the red ladybugs or the good bugs. So, this is what her card says. Yes, thank you, my dear. Happy birthday. Dear Stephanie, happy birthday. Hope you're having an amazing birthday. Look forward to continuing watching your videos. Love, your YouTube family member, Erlene. Thank you, sweetheart. You are the first. I've not really talked about it. Honestly, I'm not really much of a big birthday person. It's never really been a lot of fun for me. And after a point in life, I think getting older gets a little depressing. But yeah, you're the first. Thank you. All right, and then we have this one from Miss Dora. Nothing really terribly exciting to show you on the front. This is what I should have used on the first one. Just open this. I forget I have that here. Okay, what do we got going on? Okay. There is a card. Let's get to the card. Okay, it is a little thank you. It's very pretty. Thank you card. Says, Stephanie, hi Stephanie, want to thank you for the generous items you sent me for the giveaway. Also want to thank you for the content you put out. Oh, thank you, sweetie. On your videos. Honest reviews are highly appreciated, plus your videos are very entertaining. I am so glad you think so, because sometimes I wonder if people find, they always tell you when you start out being a creator, just be genuine. And honestly, it's very hard to be genuine because you're also getting pressured. Everybody's like, you need to do this. You need to behave like this. And I'm like, I'm just going to be myself. So thank you very much, very much. That is beautiful. Love it. Love the flowers. And she included, and I might have to use this soon, the IDAZ Dermastic Gold Fit Mask. Ooh. I just came in from outside, y'all. I'm still a little frozen. I might be a little pink-cheeked from it, so I think I'm a little frozen. This is a 20 to 30 minute mask. This sounds wonderful. I can't wait to use that. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, so back to the 2 packages. If you watched my Ipsy for January, I had done, so when you go through, you get 5 items with Ipsy's. It's Boxycharm by Ipsy. That's the one I'm subscribed to. You get 5 full-size items. They pick 2 for you, and then you get 3 choices. And each choice is like one of a couple of different things you have to pick. You can't be like, well, I want all 3 from this selection. You have to go... so there's, like 5 or so, and sometimes they're sold out pretty quickly on some of the better choices. And it seems like everybody's choices are different. They're supposed to look at your beauty quiz and beauty profile and sort of curate your selections from all that. So you do all that, you check out, but then you get sent over to their add-ons. So you can do add-ons, and there's various price points. And I found a couple of things that I added on last month. or well, it was this month. One of them was Pat McGrath's eye mascara. And then I got 2 items of the same thing. I've told you guys in my empties. So here's my, I raved and raved and raved about this. And I got 2 of these, and they're just little sample sizes, but it's the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. Super excited to grab this because I was out and in my empties. I told you guys I love this. So I was like, well, this is cool. They only sent 1. So this is the second one that they owed me. They only had put 1 out of the 2 in there. So it was $3 for this. I was a little bit like, oh, it's kind of a lot, but I do love this product. Okay, so then shortly thereafter, their Mega Drop Shop, Ipsy Shop opened. And I told you guys in that video that, okay, I mean, I have a confession. I don't like it when they put skincare items in my regular Boxy by Ipsy box because honestly, I generally don't like some of what they throw in there. It's not stuff I want. I don't need any more exfoliators. I have so many exfoliators. You know, sometimes I like my choices, but a lot of times it's stuff I don't like. Now, I am using the hyaluronic acid serum. It's like that celery and hyaluronic acid. I'm like, I'll use that. I was okay with getting that. Did I want it as part of my box choice? No, but I'm using it. Okay, I'm having a fail here on opening this. I didn't get very far. But, so I went into their Mega Drop Shop and ordered a whole bunch of skincare because they had available what I wanted. So, and it was also at better pricing than I could go out on the open market and find these brands for elsewhere. So, I doubt they put, oh, so excited. On the note of this, y'all are going to laugh. Looky what I got. Oh, I bought 2. This is the Yensa Pink Peptide, or Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream, full size. Oh my God, I was so excited. I would have never done this if I would have known these were going to be available in the drop shop. Because these were pretty attractively priced, you guys. And so, yeah, I got 2. I think they were less than $10, unless they were the $12 ones. I forgot to bring it up and look at it on my phone. It has been a while, but yes. I told y'all I love this product. I do. It was fabulous. I'm so excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. I've used up already the small one. So this was welcome to get this, but then I also got these. So yeah, it's goofy. That I use mainly at night. Sometimes I've used it in the morning if I feel like my skin's like super dry. But then I love this brand. This is another brand I love. Their products for me, I have these in my my Amazon shop as well, but this is such a good deal. Now, the last time I got this, I did get it in a Boxy, but it had SPF in it. This is without the SPF. I find that when I use the one with the SPF, which I did buy another one, but I've used it now long enough to know, like, I can tell it moves on my face because I don't get it near my mouth, but eventually I taste the SPF, which tells me either I'm doing this and rubbing it in my mouth. But it's the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer from Purlisse. I love Purlisse products, and I love Yensa products. So super excited to get this. This would be something more like I would use in the morning before putting on my makeup. This is definitely, for me, a nighttime thing or more. And then on that whole note of how much I love Purlisse, I do like this. I think my version I tried, I believe, came from Sunny from Sunny's Place. Because she gave me a bunch of Purlisse and she knows how much I love it. This is their Pineapple Bright Gel Cream. So that's what I got from the Mega Shop, Mega Drop Shop, Ipsy Mega Shop, whatever it is. A bunch of Purlisse and my Yensa. Love these products. Love these products. So I honestly couldn't tell you which one I love more of these two. They're pretty equally loved. Super excited to get them. Happy I got this since I had to pay for it and they didn't send it. So yeah, I'll use this up before I get into the big ones. But yeah, that's it, guys. That was my trip to the post office. Super happy to get this stuff. Very happy. I thought this was going to be like an argument. I had already taken pictures of like the contents of my Ipsy. there was like no argument. They just were like, oh, okay, we'll send you a new one. I'm like, all right. Half the time when you got like something broken, they're like, you have to take a picture of it, and you have to include a picture of the box with the tracking. You have to like take a picture of the broken item with the box tracking labels and all that. And I was like, oh God, this is gonna be fun. But it wasn't an issue this time. So, but I mean, you guys, it's a sample size. It's $3, which is ridiculous. So the only reason why I partook in this was the fact that I love this product. Thank you again to Dora and Erlene for my cards. I really appreciate the thank you and the birthday. Yes, ma'am, you are the only one who has remembered that, and I haven't been saying anything, so now cat's out of the bag. January is my birthday month. It's where we're celebrating it on YouTube, and I'm sorry, you guys, I don't put like the date out there, so I guess I'm a little bit of a Grinch as far as that goes. I've never really had a great birthday experience, so it is what it is. But thank you. That was very sweet, very kind, and I love it. So really appreciate that. Stay warm, y'all. We still have like 1.5 feet, 2 feet of snow on the ground. We have ice damming. Everybody all over southern Wisconsin has huge icicles coming off their roofs. Your gutters are full of ice because of the texture and the type of snow. 2 different snowstorms we got. The first one was literally like, you take a kitchen sponge, get it all wet, soak it with water. That was the snow we got. Literally like a wet, dripping wet sponge. That all went into like people's roofs. It froze down. Then we had another mega monster snowstorm. We got over 13 inches of snow, but it was wet, heavy, that really, really wet snow. It was like 33 degrees and snowing like crazy. So we all have like a foot or more of snow on our roofs. And next week, we're supposed to get rain. So I'm really worried. We have 2 feet of snow on the ground, and then they're talking rain. And it's been so cold, we've been below zero, that the roads, they're having a hard time clearing the roads. So I'm just mortified at the thought of like, some of these roads have massive amounts of just icy snow on them, and then we're going to get rain. Oh, it could be wild, but we'll see. We'll get through it somehow. Hopefully that warmer weather will approach. We can get the roads cleared before the rain starts. But I'm worried about leaking roofs, crumbling roofs due to the weight of snow getting rain on it. The ice that it's going to form. Oh, not looking forward to that. So I hope the rain stays away. Honestly, I'd rather just keep the cold temperatures and not have rain on top of what we have right now. So maybe that's my wish for the end of January. But thanks, guys. Again, the products, if you're curious and interested, Pure Lease Pineapple Bright Gel Cream, Pure Lease Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, and then the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. So we got Pink Lotus and Blue Lotus, and then we got some pineapple. So, all right, y'all. Appreciate your time. Hope you're having a good one. I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.